Outdated hospital cafeteria? You'd think renovation takes weeks and thousands in labor. Not with Bodaq. We transformed this entire space in a few days using Bodaq interior self-adhesive film. No dust, no noise, no shutdown. Surfaces are simply wrapped. It's clean, fast, and cost-effective. Perfect for high-traffic, sensitive environments like hospitals. Real sustainability means giving existing surfaces a second life, saving time, money, and tons of natural resources like wood and stone. Concerned about safety? Bodaq meets Class A fire rating, is antibacterial, and approved for use in medical facilities. 450 designs to match your brand, lower cost, zero disruption, that's smart renovation. Visit Bodaq.com to learn more.